I'm Stella Rose, and welcome to Stella Rose Knows. Let's go! How many legs does a spider have? How long does a giraffe's neck grow? Let's find out together on Stella Rose Knows. Stella Rose Knows. Hi everyone, welcome back to Stella Rose Knows. Today we're learning about the smartest animal on the farm. No, not the farmer, the pig. And speaking of farmers, say hello to our friend Stephanie.
Hello.
Hi. Do you mind if we ask you some questions about pigs?
Sure, I'd love to.
Do pigs really bark?
They do bark. They make a whole lot of different noises. So barking is one of them. And they'll bark when they're startled at something. So if they see something that scares them, they might let out a quick little bark. Or if they're really excited about something, they get the zoomies and they might run around and make barking noises. They also make a whole bunch of other noises. Do you want to know what those are?
Yes.
Yeah? So they grunt. So if they're getting belly rubs and they're really comfortable and they feel good, they might make some soft grunt sounds. They also make breathy, hot pant sounds like and usually that's a happy greeting that they express that they love you, they're happy to see you. So they make all sorts of noises like that.
That's great to know.
Yeah.
The second question is, do pigs not sweat?
That's true, they do not sweat.
That's good to know. My third question is, what do pigs eat?
So pigs eat a food that's in a pellet form, and it has grains and corn and vegetables in it. And then we also feed them just regular vegetables with their food and fruits. They like stuff like that.
Oh, that's great to know. My fourth question is, how long do pigs live?
So pigs can live about 15 to 18 years, but they're also known to live up to 20 years.
That's a long time.
It is.
That's no pig. My fifth question is, are pigs friendly?
So pigs can be very friendly. So they have been known to form special bonds with their humans, but also just like people, they have different personalities, and some may prefer to spend more time by themselves, be more independent. Pigs are also very friendly with cats, so they've been known to form really close relationships with cats too.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Before we go, is there anything that you'd like our friends at home to know about pigs?
Yes. So a lot of people think that teacup pigs exist, and that's actually not true. So most of the time when a breeder is trying to sell a teacup pig, they're really just babies, and or they are a little bit older and they just haven't been fed as much so that they can stay small.
Oh.
So yeah, so normally a mini pig will get to maybe 150, 180 pounds or even 200 pounds. And that's smaller than a regular sized pig, so they're still mini, but teacups do not exist. So I feel like that's really important to tell our friends at home. And they also continue to grow until they're about 5 years old.
That's really good to know. Thanks for telling us.
Thank you.
Was there anything else?
Sure, so pigs are very smart. They're actually smarter than dogs. They can learn their names at just 2 weeks old. And they also can learn tricks like sit and come and other tricks like that. And they can do puzzles. They're very, very smart.
Thank you for inviting us to your house today.
Thank you for coming.
Let's let Steph get back to her work. But stick around for Stella Rose Knows question of the day. Today, we learned all about pigs. Let's see what you remember. How long do pigs live? A, 20 years, B, 60 years, or C, 100 years? If you guess A, you were right. Pigs can live up to 20 years. That's an old pig. Remember, if you have an animal question, leave them in the comments below to see if Stella Rose knows. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stella Rose knows.
Thank you so much. And remember, pigs are friends, not food.